Hello everyone, this is May from Altertool. It's my pleasure to recommend to you this high-quality second stool multifunctional foldable hydraulic crane with a maximum load of 2,000 pounds. This hydraulic crane can move with load, making your handling convenient and fast. With storable hydraulic oil pump, solid metal pulley, and galvanized chain hook, it can be used in various environments for a long time. After use, it can be folded, occupying less space and easy to store. Welcome to contact with us by mail, vicky@altertool.com. Thanks for your watching. Goodbye.